Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Chevy Impala. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. And raise the hood up. Okay, I have to warn you that this is a little bit more complicated than usual, this procedure, but it's totally doable. Okay, so so here we have driver's side and passenger side. I'm gonna show you on passenger side. Driver's side is the same thing, but we'll get into a little bit later. Now here we have the turn signal, for example. It's right here. Okay, so it's very simple. Just spin it, get it out, pull the bulb off, and just replace it. Simple. It's a little bit more complicated with this low beam light. The story with this light is, okay, how do we change it, replace it? First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this plastic which is in our way to get our hand in. So let's remove the plastic. What I'm doing, I'm getting it from the bottom and I'm pulling on it. The thing is, there are two, like, not pins, like things that hold it down. So I'm just trying to just wiggle it out like this. Okay, I did it before, that's why it came out easy. It will be harder if you're doing it for the first time. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna spin the lid and take it out. Put the lid aside, and here we have our bulb. You guys can see it on camera, so right here. Inside here, hope you guys can see those white bracket around the bulb. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. It's the white thing. So what we're gonna do, first of all, we're gonna spin this white thing. Usually I'm using two hands when I do this, so with one hand it's impossible to get your hands inside. So just gonna use two hands. Okay, now once I did this, I'm able to get the bulb out. Okay, once we have it here, we have to be careful. We have to remove this orange piece and disconnect the connection. So what I'm pressing here hard and pulling the bulb with my fingers off like this. Okay, so here's our bulb. So let me explain. So the light is in this kind of position. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm spinning this thing, bracket, the white piece, I'm spinning it, and then I'm able to also spin the light and get it out. So basically you just have to get the light in and then just secure it by spinning this cover. It's right here. Be careful, these bulbs are brittle. Okay, so just connect it and then try to get it back in place. Okay, once you have it back in place, you will have to find the sweet spot like the bulb was inside. So I'll try to put it back in. Now I'm looking for the sweet spot. Once I have the sweet spot, I will spin the white bracket. Okay, it's impossible to get the camera in there, but right now if I have it in, I'm gonna spin the white bracket. Alright, so right now, as you can see, it's solid, everything's good, bulb is back in place. So I just put it in and spin the white bracket. That's it. Now what we have to do, we have to close it with our lid. Close it, spin a little bit, and put this piece back on. Like this. That's it. Driver's side is a little bit different. It's gonna be the same thing, but over here you can see you have this filler neck on your way. So we have to just remove the filler neck. We're just gonna grab it with our hands and just pull it out like this. Now you should have enough space to do Same procedure, okay? Just get everything out of your way, and same way, open the cap and change the bulb. Once you're done, just filler and it goes back in place. That's it. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.